Okay, so I haven't blocked the drain yet. You can see I have a leaky faucet. Even though I turned off the valve, I turned that so that it goes to the handheld shower instead of out of there. And if it's going to leak, it's going to leak in there. I got a little bit of water in here. But it's still leaking out of my faucet. So I've got it all taped up and ready to go. Before I did that, I used this to take off any like calcium, rust, and lime deposits. I scrubbed it with the, this is a, I guess a sandpaper sponge. Oh, I got ants coming in. Got paper down on the floor. So my solution I've come up with, because this cannot be wet when you put this stuff on. And I think, you know, what can I use to keep this from dripping on my newly glazed stuff that can't be wet for a while. So I decided I am going to diaper my spigot. I figure the diaper, as much as it's dripping a couple drops here and there. And I will turn off the water to the house, so hopefully that will completely slow it down, stop it, whatever. I'm going to turn off the water overnight. But I figure if a diaper can keep a baby or dry pretty much overnight, maybe it will keep my tub dry long enough for this to cure. So, yeah, that's going to be tiled. I've decided I'm going to use regular ceramic tile on there instead of putting that back on. I kind of like having the soap dishes there, so I'm going to leave them. But I am going to go ahead and put tile up there. So now I've got my little plug thing ready to go. I'm going to put that on upside down, and then I'm going to cut off the excess tape. That I'm going to do after I put the diaper on, and I'll show you after I put the diaper on what it looks like. Alright, and take a break.